Hi, in this video we'll look at export to Excel feature in OSE. You can now export table and pivot table visualizations from your OSE workbooks into Excel files. Let's export this table into an Excel file. I'll select this table visualization and go to the workbook header bar. From export pop-up, I can open file dialog box. Alternatively, I will right-click on the table visualization to open the context menu and open file dialog from export option. In the file dialog, export file name is prefilled to be same as the workbook. I will choose Excel for the format and click on Save button. The export has started and the file is saved in my local download folder. Let's open this export file. As you can see, the table data has been exported into the Excel file as it appears in the OSE table visualization. I'll close this file and go back to the dashboard. Let's try exporting this pivot table also. This time I'll apply a few dashboard filters. I will select few product subcategories and make some selections for ship mode as well. Now I'm going to export this pivot table. The export has started. The file is downloaded. Let's open it. You can see that the filtered pivot table data has been exported into the file as it appeared in the OSE dashboard. Subtotals and total record is also as per the pivot table. You can use the export to Excel of table and pivot tables in OSE to quickly export data from these visualizations for a quick offline reference. Thanks for watching the video.